People are making thousands of dollars a month using affiliate marketing, including myself. But what even is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is driving traffic and sales to other people's products or services, and then you get a kickback for all of the sales that you provide for them. How many times have you found a product and you just could not stop talking about it, and you told all of your friends, you need to go buy this hair straightener, and they went and purchased it? Imagine getting paid for each of your friends that purchased it. Now, imagine telling 1,000 people at once. And people are able to do this through multiple different channels. You're able to do it through blogs, through YouTube videos, through Instagram, through TikTok, any way that you're able to get eyes on something at scale that can help you drive traffic. So essentially, you're just doing marketing for someone else's product. This benefits both you because you get paid, and the company because for them, they wouldn't have gotten that sale without you. They probably would have had to pay for Facebook ads or for another way for them to get their own traffic. But to just have you drive traffic for them is beneficial for both parties. And they're able to tell if you drove that sale through what's called affiliate links. If you take a look at the description of this video, you're gonna see a ton of links listed. And those are all of my affiliate links because these are products and services that I often talk about in my YouTube videos. And why this is so great for beginners is because it doesn't cost any money to start, because you're not having to build your own website, you're not having to build your own products, you don't have to worry about any customer service, you don't have to worry about any shipping and packaging. The only thing that you are worried about is driving traffic and creating sales. Keep in mind that not all affiliate programs are created equal. Some will pay out based on an app download. Some will pay out based on if you get a sale. And not all of the rewards that you get are created equal either. Some of them might pay a flat fee every time you get a sale. Some might give you percentage of sales. If you sell a subscription service, perhaps you get 20% of recurring subscriptions, giving you passive income every single month. So when you are signing up for affiliate programs, make sure to read through them so you know exactly what their payout structure is. Okay, so now you have a basic understanding of what affiliate marketing entails, but how do you even find these programs and start using them yourself? When I was first learning about affiliate marketing, I was told, go to ClickBank and find the program that pays the best and start making content around that. But that does not work. And why? Because you want to start creating content that you actually care about and want to talk about. So first, write down niche ideas. Do you love to hike? Are you a mom and care about mom products? Are you a fashion influencer and love to talk clothing? Write down what your passion is so that you can start looking for affiliate programs based on your passion instead of just looking towards the money, because that will not guarantee a long-term income and you'll just be pretty miserable. If you are a regular on my channel, you probably know that I mostly talk about print on demand and Etsy as an income stream. And I started making content around that before I even knew what affiliate links were. And so I was talking about all of these companies that I was using on a daily basis already. And then a few months in, when I had already gathered a few thousand followers, I discovered that I could be making money for driving people to these programs, which I was already doing for free. So once you finally decided on the niche that you would love to create content around, now we're gonna be looking for affiliate programs. And you'll be surprised to find out that pretty much every brand out there has an affiliate program. Not all of them, but any big one, including Sephora, Lululemon, Dyson, and even Amazon. So if you're an Amazon affiliate, you can talk about any product on Amazon, include your link that they give you, and then whenever you talk about it and that drives someone to purchase because you made a recommendation to purchase from it, you get paid. So if you want to talk about some products that show up on Amazon, you can look up Amazon Associates, and then you're going to get to a page like this, which is their affiliate program, and you are going to sign up. And here's exactly how it works. You sign up, you recommend it to your friends, they purchase, and you earn money. The best part right here is we are going to try to recommend at large scale so that we can earn a lot more than if we were just telling our best friend to buy this product. So because of the niche I have chosen for my YouTube videos and my content, I do not sell any Amazon products, so I am not an Amazon affiliate, but you are going to have to get signed up. And then once you get approved, you can sign up, and under any of these products, you can create a personalized link. And that link is going to tell Amazon that you drove that sale. So that is the link that you are going to put in your blog posts, in your TikTok links, everywhere that you talk about this product. While this is one of the options for creating affiliate links, it is far from the only one. If none of the products are on there that you want to recommend, or perhaps you're just a little anti-Amazon, perhaps you want to drive them to direct brands. And to find the best ones, usually what I would do is first think about the products that you already use and recommend. Those are going to be the easiest to talk about. You're going to feel the best about talking about them. But once you have run out of those, just look those up, the name plus affiliate program, and probably it's out there. But if you're looking for more products, you can also just type into Google, say your niche is cleaning, you can do cleaning product affiliate programs. And there are tons of people writing up on these affiliate programs. So right here, 12 best cleaning affiliate programs in 2024. Meliora, Frey, Force of Nature, My Cleaning Products, Microfiber Wholesale, eCleaner, Green Blaster, Thrive Market, Dyson.co.uk, also other Dyson, the US version, not just the .co.uk, has an affiliate program. And you can see how much these pay out. So you can get an idea of what type of commissions you can get for selling products like this. So for this Frey affiliate program, you can get 25% of sales for orders over $40, or you make flat $6 per sale for any order under $40. This one here pays 30% sales commission, and it does state that most of their orders are larger size orders. So if most people are purchasing over $150, every time you drive that sale, you're making 30% of that. And the good thing about affiliate links as well is you don't have to just use one product. In fact, if you were making all of your content just around one hairdryer, people are going to get bored of you really quick. People who are usually using affiliate links have a ton of them. I probably have about 10 to 15 different affiliate links that I promote. Again, these are only platforms that I actively use myself, and those are the types of products that you should be talking about as well. So now let's take a look at some of these affiliate marketers in action. We have this blog right here called Switchback Travel. They have different categories for ski, snowboard, winter, hike, backpack, camp, tons of different related niches that they can talk about. And here's just one of their articles where they talk about the best women's hiking shoes of 2023. And if you see right here, it says, we use affiliate links and may receive a small commission for purchasers. This is the whole reason they're writing this blog. And if we scroll down through here and you open up their links here, we can see this one here actually opens to Amazon. So when I clicked on this, I'm brought to this product on Amazon. If I bought this shoe because they recommended it to me as the best shoe, or through reading through their list right there, I thought that this one was the best for me, they're going to make a kickback from this sale. And I can tell because I can see in the URL that there's something called tag. This might change based on the affiliate program. Sometimes it's affiliate, but depending on the program that they're using, they have some tell in the URL to let them know which of their affiliates drove this commission so they know who they can pay back to. And you can see right here, back in this list, they have listed 6 different shoes. Every single shoe in here has a different affiliate link. Some link to Amazon, some link to the exact site like Merrell. So this person is using multiple different types of affiliate programs to get money. And this right here is 6 different links. And this is only one blog page that they have, probably among thousands. We have this YouTube channel here called Top Tech Now. This is just one of their videos, top 3 best budget gaming PCs 2020. And they also list tons of different links down here. So they're recommending different tech products with their YouTube videos. Every time someone purchases from their link in their description, they make a sale and they make profit. And you heard my cleaning example earlier and might wonder, who is talking about cleaning? There are tons. There was a thing called Clean Talk that got really popular, especially during COVID, and it is still thriving, which is just TikTok channels about cleaning your house. And this one called Mom That Loves to Clean has 2.5 million followers, and she just talks about cleaning and different cleaning products that she uses. And even if she isn't talking about an exact product in each video, she does have a link right here that if we open brings us to a page like this. And if you scroll down, there's different links that she's included. So she also sells some ebooks, but down here you can see her Amazon store, which has all her Amazon recommendations. She has all of these as well, individual products that she has an affiliate link to. Again, she probably talks about these in her videos, but even if she doesn't, if people just trust her recommendations with 2.5 million followers, I'm gonna guess quite a bit of them do trust in her cleaning ability. If they come here and purchase any of these that she has listed down here, she gets a kickback. So if you've ever wondered why there's blogs, there's TikTok channels, there's YouTubes that don't seem to be selling anything, but they're just talking about a certain niche, and you're wondering, hey, they must really love this because they're not making any money from it. Yes, they are, because they're making money from affiliates. If you are choosing to go the social media route for this, so say you're planning to drive traffic through Instagram or TikTok, you are gonna need an external platform so that you are able to list all of your affiliate links at once. And there's tons out there. There's Stand With Me, but one of the most common ones is called Linktree. So what is Linktree? It's just a platform that allows you to create a page that looks like this. We saw something very similar in that cleaning TikTok that we just opened, and it's just a social media friendly link page that allows you to show multiple different links so that you can have multiple different affiliate links linked at once. So coming into templates, just gonna scroll through some of the ones that you can pick through here, and I guarantee you've definitely seen these on social media before. You just might not have known where they came from. Another more robust one, which also allows you to sell things right within this link page, is called Stand With Me. So you can look at both of them and decide which one you want to use. And maybe you want to promote these. Me just talking about these, I can sign up for these affiliate programs. If you guys sign up for them, I get a kickback. I actually was before an affiliate for Stand With Me. I don't talk about them as much anymore, again, because I'm just focused on print on demand. So those are the only affiliate links that I use on my videos. So just one of the programs that I talk about and I get paid with is the Printify affiliate program. This one works on a different basis. This one, I get paid if the people that I drove to sign up make their own sales. Because it's a selling platform, if my people that I am teaching through this YouTube channel are successful, I get 5% kickback of all the sales that they make. So for me, if I was just talking about this program, I wasn't really teaching it, so everyone made 0 sales, I wouldn't get paid. Versus I have some other platforms that I talk about, like eRank or some of the other ones listed below, that whenever someone signs up, I get paid a flat fee. So again, make sure when you are signing up that you are reading through the conditions and the terms of all these affiliate programs to see if they're worth talking about for you. So if you're going to start affiliate marketing, make sure that you're starting from a place of passion. I've seen way too many videos that talk about first going to marketplaces for affiliates and just finding ones with high commissions. But I don't think that's the best way that you're going to create a fulfilling business for yourself. But this is one of the best ways that you can start making money as a content creator. Whether, again, you don't want to show your face and you want to do blogs, maybe you do want to show your face, maybe you want to do short form content, perhaps you love Pinterest. Any way that you love to make content around to drive traffic to someone else's product. And how much money can you actually make with affiliate marketing? It highly depends. It is going to be a slow growth. You're probably not going to make millions off the bat unless you have a viral video about one of the products. That's again why you should start from a passion, because this might be something you do for the long run. For me, I've been talking about print on demand for over a year now, and now I'm averaging about 3 to 5K a month on different affiliate programs all combined. But the good thing is you can get started today. You can start making sales as early as this week. Again, it might not be thousands and you might not be quitting your day job at the end of this month, but you can start making money right away and start the ball rolling to build up a large enough base, either whether that is through a blog or content, so that in the future you are getting tons of repeat purchases from content that you talked about a few months ago and start creating some passive income. All right, guys, let me know if this was helpful, if this helped answer any questions you had about getting started with affiliate marketing. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Thanks, guys.